Your pre-market summary for Thursday, July 14th. Get set for more inflation data coming up at 8:30 this morning. We'll get June PPI, so the producer price index versus the consumer price index that we got yesterday. Not as big of a market moving event, but make sure you're with us at 8:30 once again for PPI this morning. We'll also get weekly jobless claims to come this morning as well. It's all about the banks this morning. JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, both to the downside. Let's have a look at the futures here to show you. Yeah, back in the red we go. 1.37 right now for the S&P, 1.4 for the Dow, the NASDAQ a full percent as we sit in the pre-market. Even here in Toronto, TSX futures pointing to a lower open. Bitcoin and Ethereum showing a little bit of strength here, but not good. We had a big move to the downside yesterday, right at the end of the equity session for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. A few notes to be aware of this morning. Yeah, futures under pressure after both JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley miss with their reports. Profit falls for JP Morgan. Morgan Stanley talking about their forecast as well. Pretty cautious for both. As far as the charts are concerned, yeah, pretty negative on a daily time frame for both Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan. Let's go on to Taiwan Semiconductor. Some of the semis, on the other hand, showing a little bit of strength here this morning. I'll move that over so you can see a couple of days here back to the upside for TSM. It's AMD, however, leading as far as relative strength is concerned and volume is concerned in the pre-market. So we'll talk about some of the chips coming up. Netflix, if you remember yesterday, big news, Microsoft teaming up with Netflix, or the other way around, Netflix teaming up with Microsoft to partner for their ad-supported business. So just an indication overall of maybe they're getting close to launching this product. Alibaba back to the upside this morning as well. We'll have a look at Alibaba shares. On this news, they plan to cut about a third of their deals team after a bit of a miss and regulatory clampdowns continue. Some of the Chinese names getting a little bit of a bid, though, here in the pre-market as well. More volatility to come on a Thursday. Make sure you join us at 8:30. Grab the watch list, guys. On its way out to you for free right now. Use the link at the bottom of the screen. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.